Depending on your vehicle, you may be able to set up to 3 different memory seat positions for individual drivers. The memory buttons located on the driver's side door can store your seat position, mirror position, steering wheel position, and depending on your model, even the pedal position. Today, I'll show you how to set your memory positions so you don't have to adjust them every time you get in the car. First, turn on the ignition. Adjust the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to your desired position. Then, press and hold the number 1, 2, or 3 until you hear a chime. A confirmation will also appear on the screen. Now, if this easy entry-exit feature is enabled, the vehicle will automatically adjust to your stored position. But if this feature bothers you, you can easily turn it off in the settings. In some older models, the settings are located on the left side of the steering wheel, but in this 2022 Ford Explorer, the settings are on the touchscreen. Just go to Settings, Vehicle, Easy Entry/Exit, and switch it on or off.